Did you know only 30% of businesses successfully transition to the second generation and only 12% to the third? The main reason? Actually, 97% of failures is due to breakdown of trust, communication, a lack of clear vision, or inadequately prepared heirs. The other 3%, they fail because of taxation, poor governance, or wealth preservation issues. Sadly, most businesses in transition focus only on the 3% box. Inspire Network puts trust, communication, vision, and prepared heirs in the center of our telescope. We take the long view and work to address the shortcomings most people don't focus on. Now, that's a lot of numbers. We can help put you on the successful side of that equation. If you're offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat, just get on. More importantly, do you want your rocket to soar long after you're gone? Inspire Network can help. Our transformational coaching is built for what your business needs right now. If you are a future-minded entrepreneur seeking to build an elite team, our executive coaching program works with the key leader, whether that is a visionary or an integrator. If you already have a team in place and you're ready to set them on a trajectory for the future, our elite teams coaching works with your entire team. Then, our Next Gen Owners Academy focuses on the people you identify to carry on your legacy, to get them ready for the challenges and opportunities of being a second generation owner. We follow a transformational agenda designed to help you create real change and sustain it. We call it Ritualize to Actualize. It starts with strategic leadership. Then you need to have the right people in the right seats. We will help you select, develop, and lead them. It takes teamwork to create a memorable client experience that helps your business grow. Responsible business management ensures the legacy of your business. We practice what we coach. Working in 2 war-torn countries through most of my 20s, starting over in the United States and building and growing multiple businesses, I have first-hand experience in what it takes to build successful teams. It's not rocket science. These are not cutting-edge concepts. What makes this different is that we walk alongside you, rolling up our own sleeves, helping you put all of our tools into practice. Inspire Network is here to lift your business off the launch pad, while others are still asking which seat to take. We facilitate change.